Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to watch movies on Stremio. So let's get started. This is a free hosting service, but if you realize a lot of the movies and TV shows are actually paid. For example, if we go into Dune Part 2, we will see all of the subscription services on the right which are not free and require money. Here there are some TV shows and movies which are completely free to watch. For example, the Kid TV show, you can watch that completely for free on Stremio. So all of the movies that say 1080p on the right hand side, those are completely free to watch. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.